Daddy, you want seeds?
I want seeds. Where in the world is it? Because I see his back.
What's that?
You long snake.
Horns.
Horns. Y'all are goofy. Here's some seeds.
Seeds, my seeds. My seeds.
Hold it up like Carlton. You got that. Carlton, hold the seeds up like this.
Yes, right now.
That's good stuff right there.